When you switch on a VPN, it secures your internet traffic with an encrypted tunnel. It protects your data from anyone sneaking around your network, stops ISPs from profiting from your online activities, and makes it harder to track you online. You can even use your VPN to spoof your, for fun. NordVPN is an excellent VPN service that packs just about every feature you could want into a well-polished app. A subscription with NordVPN starts at $11.95 per month, which is more than the industry average of $10.10. Its one-year subscription is similarly pricey at $83.88 per year, exceeding the average of $73.40 per year. But NordVPN is no slouch, and it does a lot to justify the price tag. For one thing, it allows 6 devices to be used simultaneously, more than the usual 5 devices allowed by other VPNs. For another, it provides servers in 59 countries, including regions often ignored by other competitors. But its real strength is the privacy tools it includes. With NordVPN, you can easily connect to the Tor anonymization network via VPN. NordVPN also lets you use a multi-hop connection for extra security. This routes your internet traffic through 2 VPN servers to ensure that your information is not intercepted. Very few VPN products offer these features, making NordVPN attractive to the security-minded. Under the hood, NordVPN uses the modern and secure OpenVPN and IKEv2 VPN protocols. It has recently deployed the WireGuard VPN protocol. This new technology is intended to be faster and more secure than existing alternatives and is open source to boot. That technology is backed by a strong privacy policy and several third-party audits. Although it has lots of bells and whistles, NordVPN puts its best foot forward with a slick, well-designed app that's consistent across every platform. It's very easy to use and has surprising depth that the technically savvy will appreciate. For its excellent design and impressive service, NordVPN is a 4-star VPN.